How to model cheese in Nomad Sculpt. To begin, save the project first. I named it Cheese. Then go to Scene and delete the default sphere. Add a new cylinder. Lower the height of the cylinder. And switch to the top view. Open Primitive by tapping this three-dot menu. Adjust Linear Subdivision to 7 until it forms a triangular prism shape. If it won't turn into a triangle, reduce Max Face to 100K. Then validate it. Go to Gizmo. Move the red dot to the left to make it thinner. When the shape looks right, return to the top view. Now we're going to make this part round. To do that, go to Split. Choose Ellipse and enable Circle. Turn on a grid. Drag the circle wide enough in the center to cover most of the object. Then validate it. And click Reset. Now it becomes two separate objects. Then go to Gizmo. Delete the extra parts. Open Operation and slide Smooth to the right slightly. Now, we're going to add cheese holes. Add a quad sphere. And validate it. Scale it down to the size of a pearl. Place it halfway in. Then clone the sphere. Move it nearby and scale it down slightly. Clone the sphere a few more times. And scatter them across the surface, except the rounded area. I sped up the video speed a bit. After that, go to Scene and hide all the sphere. Then select all the objects. And press Boolean. Now the hidden spheres become holes. Then go to Operation and slide Smooth slightly to the right. Next, open Stroke Painting and switch the color palette to yellow. Set Roughness to 0.28 and click Paint All. Then go to Paint and open Stroke Painting again. Change the color palette to orange. And brush it onto the round area. Use low intensity and high radius for a smoother blend. If everything is done, tap the Nomad Sculpt logo. Set the speed to your preference and click Turntable.